Now that is raw butter. Hi everybody, I'm the Hillbilly.
And I'm the chef.
And today we're going to show y'all how to make butter. And today we went to the farm, and bought milk from a Jersey cow. And we're going to dip the cream off the top of the milk, and we have to let it set out 24 hours, and then we're going to let the chef make butter. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to open up the milk. Okay, here's the first part. All right, Brandon, hold this over here. We're going to dip the cream. This one's got a lot of, can you see that in the camera? The cream and the milk. Right, one more. Then we're gonna try some milk in a minute. Okay, we need this jar. So we're going to go ahead and drink this milk. Brandon's never had non-pasteurized milk, so we're going to give it a try. Okay, and that's skim milk is all it is. Not too bad. Actually, it tastes weaker than the milk, that probably 1% milk.
That's
what it
okay.
tastes like.
I'm good.
We're going to pour this back in the jar, let it set out to room temperature for 24 hours, and it starts to curdle. And then when it starts to curdle, you can make butter out of it. And tomorrow, we'll make the rest of it. Alright folks, it's been 24 hours since we set the cream out to warm up and to get ready to make butter. And this is the way I did it when I was a little kid. And it's ready to be shaken. It'll take about 25-30 minutes. You're doing a good job.
I know. I bet I am. Doing better than you.
Let's see if you can make butter. Folks, the chef has been checking it for 30 minutes, and I think we have butter. Okay, I think the butter's ready now, and we fixed to drain it off. You can use a cheesecloth or a coffee filter, but the old Hillbilly, he uses a coffee filter. It smells like butter. Okay, it may be too thick.
Buttermilk.
Okay, that's gonna take forever. We're gonna do it a different way. Now that is raw butter.
No salt in it or anything.
And now we fix to rinse it off. When you get through rinsing all the buttermilk off of it, you can take it and put it in a container. You can freeze it, put it in the ice box, spread it on your biscuits, and it is pure butter, no preservatives. And you could keep rinsing it if you wanted to, and the water would turn clean, but I like it just a little bit of buttermilk taste to it. There you go. Well, folks, the old Hillbilly taught the chef something new today, and I hope y'all learned something new today. Be sure and hit the subscribe button and the bell for the notification when we have a new video out.
And don't forget to drop us a comment below and hit that thumbs up button.
And we will see y'all next time.
See you next time. Man, I gotta get me some biscuits. I want to try some.